Hello students, this is Om from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software. We are also open for our live online classes. If you also want to take benefits of these training programs and the recorded sessions of our training programs, then all you have to do is to register on the Google form. You will find the link in the description. So over here, you will have to choose the courses that you want to take and I will personally give you a call. Now let's come to today's video. So in today's video, we will learn how to work on exterior of a building and basically we will work on the design around the pillars. So over here you can see we have a model with us and I am working on the design of the pillars. So I have used just a few simple techniques for this, like I have used the line tool to divide the sections and then I have used the push pull tool to just push it outwards and then I will just redirect it to the side of the walls so that it can give us a proper view of our model. So you can see this, it is looking a lot better than it was looking previously. So working on exterior is needed when you want to give a better look to your building. Now I will work in the similar way on the another pillar over here and I will try to make a similar design. So for that, what I need to do, I need to divide the surface using my line tool and then using the push pull tool, I will drag it outwards.